Stepless speed regulation. Adjusting the rotation speed of the end milling head. Adjust forward or reverse rotation. Turning head protection device. Opening the door will automatically cut off the power. Turning around will completely stop. Debugging the X-axis and Y-axis brakes. Fast forward and backward movement. Debugging up and down quick move, rapid rise, rapid decline. Digital display shows slow-moving work table feeding. Very delicate, unable to detect movement with the eyes. Worker debugging in progress. Hand-operated workbench movement. More operating videos on the homepage.